More than 300,000 people face eviction or foreclosure in the next 2 months. That number from the U.S. Census Bureau Household Pulse Survey. In South Florida, the end of the eviction moratorium, a scary thought for so many thousands of people. And WPTV News Channel 5's Sabira Rayford shows you the services available to try to help.
The Palm Beach County Community Services Director says right now they are focused on eviction prevention. He says they have millions to help and they're hoping to get the word out. Right now, Palm Beach County has 1,092 open eviction cases.
It's just really hard once you're so deep into that hole.
Alyssa Brown Gregory is the senior case manager for financial assistance at Jewish Family Services.
Our program is designed to assist families in our community.
She says with help from donors and grants, they've been able to help renters impacted by COVID-19 in Delray Beach, Boca Raton, and Highland Beach.
Our COVID requirements are a little streamlined. So if someone is calling and has been financially impacted by COVID, I do a pre-screen interview over the phone with every requester.
In Palm Beach County,
there's probably about 20 to 25 million remaining that will need to be expended before September 30th.
James Green, the executive director of the Community Services Department, says they are urging landlords and renters to apply for rental assistance.
I'm absolutely concerned about the eviction moratorium expiring. I'm really concerned about those individuals who don't know that the assistance is available, and I want to make sure that we get the word out and do what we can to help.
Reporting in Palm Beach County, Sabira Rayford, WPTV News Channel 5.
And Sabira just wrapped up a Facebook Live speaking with experts about available resources. You can watch that discussion on our Facebook page. You can also learn about more resources at WPTV.com.